Welcome back to At Your Leisure on Chad and Rhea's date night. How was it?
The poor audience. Oh my gosh, this was beautiful up here at Daniels Summit. It really was an enchanting evening.
Some enchanted evening, you will meet a snowflake. Maybe just a flake.
Yeah.
You know, what's the old story about the little red hen? Who will help me harvest the wheat? Who will help me grind the wheat? Who will help me groom the trails?
Right.
And now who wants to ride on the trails?
Yeah.
I do.
We do.
Okay.
Yes.
That's another nice thing about it. Brent did such a nice job of grooming. We're going to go back out for a nighttime snowmobile ride. Now, if you bring your own machines up, carte blanche. You can snowmobile all night long. Just remember, though, if you get in trouble, there's nobody to come get you. So,
But they do have cell service up here.
Most of the places.
Almost everywhere you go. If you stay on the trail, I think you're in good shape.
I wouldn't go boondocking or anything like that. And go with a group. However, if you want to do something really fun,
yeah, you should just bring a whole group of people up here. I mean, this would be a blast to come up
Group
here
date night.
with your friends or your family and just spend the whole darn weekend up here. It's gorgeous. We got to move on to our calendar of events.
that's true. A lot of stuff happening.
Yeah, we got the boat show coming up the first weekend in February.
That's right. Weekend following that is the RV show, so you want to make sure that you get out for that.
Right. And then we have Take a Friend Snowmobiling, which everybody needs to show up there. And we're doing a special call out to all the veterans out there, your families, all the organizations. Come on out. We'd love to see you all up there.
If you know a veterans organization, or you know a group of veterans, or you are one, please get the word out that this is a free snowmobile event for you and your family.
Get more info on Take a Friend Snowmobiling at our website as well as Facebook. Speaking of Facebook, we are doing something a little bit different with our sticker winner giveaway this week. We're giving away a 2-night stay at Daniels Summit that includes a half day of snowmobiling and a romantic dinner for two, perfectly perfect for Valentine's Day. On Monday, we're going to post a special announcement to our Facebook fans, and if you already like us, you are entered. But wait, there's more. You can share an announcement with your friends every day, and for each time you share, you will get 5 extra entries into the drawing. At the end of the week, we'll pick a random winner and announce them on the show next week. So get on Facebook because we are going to have some huge prizes to give away, and we want you to be a winner. You can also text AYL to 58885 and become a VIP member of our Outsiders Club and get advanced news on our giveaways, some of which in the months ahead include international trips. We're really excited to be giving away these prizes, so become a fan on Facebook and enjoy the great outdoors.
And now let's take a look at next week's show.